Oh my gosh, I totally missed him. I totally missed him. Chatterbait. There he is again. Net. Big one. Oh, good job, babe. Yes, sir. Oh.
All right.
Good job. Good net job, too, babe.
Much better than my last performance.
Well, you were more prepped this time. Yeah, he's a nice size one.
Yeah, babe. Good for you. Wow.
What do you think? Should I weigh him?
Yeah. That's a good fish. Yes, sir.
$3.8.
That's a good fish, babe.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that, is it? 3.8. My babe. Strikes again. Good job, babe. Good one, too. Nice. Huh? Yeah, you sure didn't you? He liked that lizard, too, didn't he?
Maybe they like the weeping lizards.
Nice one, babe.
Look at that.
Big one. Yes, good job, babe.
Wow, babe, that's a nice one.
I told you something hit it over there.
Maybe catch more?
This chatterbait, but this was just a white one. I was throwing this one because it throws further. Man, they are tearing the chatterbait. You got to start throwing that chatterbait, babe. Look at that thing. You hand me the little, I set it down on the floor, I think, so it wouldn't get wet. Man, he's a nice one.
Yeah, he's
3.7. Hopefully I can see it. All right. Boy, it's been a good day. Man, so there is fish over here on this side. I didn't think there was. All right, Mr. Bass, going for your release. I don't know if we got your catch or not, but we're at least gonna get your release. There you go. Man, that was a nice sized bass.